A Norton Shores mother convicted of torturing and killing her teenage son says she received inadequate counsel in her case. Today, an evidentiary hearing for Shanda Vander Ark began as she and her new attorney argued that her previous lawyer was ineffective and she should get a new trial. 13 on your side's Lauren Baker was in court today and has details.
Nearly a year after she was convicted of torturing and killing her son.
Count 1, charging open murder involving the death of Timothy Ferguson. We find her guilty of first-degree felony murder.
Shanda Vander Ark is arguing the attorney that represented her in that case was ineffective. On Tuesday, a Ginther hearing was first delayed because her and her attorney argued she was not well enough for the case to begin. But eventually it was ruled she was, and that trial began with the judge.
My question to you is, when these discussions you and Ms. Vander Ark, did she unequivocally say, I am not guilty of any crime?
Her attorney.
Did you guys ever have a discussion? Ms. Vander Ark, you kind of meet these elements of involuntary manslaughter.
And the prosecution.
Did you feel that she was aware about the strategy about attacking the mens rea elements?
All asking her former attorney, Fred Johnson, about the conversations revolving around her innocence or guilt, what possible outcomes could happen in the case, and if she was aware of his strategy. He answering all questions when asked.
What we talked about was she's charged with this homicide, and these are the possible outcomes a jury could legally come to, and these are what they require, and it may be and we talked about it. If we're winning the trial, what do we do?
When that was over, Vander Ark was then asked to take the stand, which she and her attorney once again argued she was not well enough.
I'm miserable. I'm lightheaded. My head is just splitting.
In the end, the judge ruled she did not have to take the stand at that time. And after a social worker and 2 law enforcement officers were questioned as well, court adjourned for the day.
And Lauren joins us now from the newsroom. Lauren, do you know when Vander Ark will take the stand?
We don't, Julia, at this time, because along with her testimony, the prosecution did request Prosecutor Matt Roberts to testify towards the end of the trial today. Her lawyer asked for time to prepare for that questioning. The judge did approve that request, Julia.
We need to follow that. Thank you, Lauren.